Launching your first e-commerce product is a big milestone, but it is also where most beginners freeze. Most people think Amazon is the only option, but look at the data. Amazon has over 2 million active sellers, while Walmart only has about 200k. This is the most untapped opportunity in e-commerce right now. To help you start, Walmart is offering up to $75,000 in new seller saving, and it is completely free to join. I am from Digital Solution Zone. Today I am giving you a simple day-by-day blueprint to go from zero to live Walmart store into just 7 days. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Set up your business. To sell on Walmart, you need to make your business legal. You will need two things: an LLC, limited liability company, and EIN, employer identification number. So the easiest way is go to biz.com, select LLC and choose your state. And the right choice is we highly recommended standard package. This package automatically includes your operating agreement and your EIN tax number. Your EIN is like a social security number for your business. You absolutely need to open a Walmart account and get business credit cards. Step 2. Submit the Walmart application. Once your business documents are ready, it is time to apply to Walmart. Many beginners get rejected here because of simple mistakes. Here is the reason. Match everything exactly. Your business name, address and EIN must match your official legal document 100%. If there is a space or a period in your LLC name, type it exactly that way. Any difference will cause an automatic rejection. Be patient. Approval can take anywhere from 1 week to 4 months because a lot of sellers are joining right now. If you get rejected, do not quit. Double check your information and apply again. Step 3. Find profitable products. Once your account is open, you need to find product to sell. A great method for beginner is online arbitrage. This means buying products at a discount from store like Newegg, Target and selling them for higher price in Walmart. While looking for a product, checking these 4 rules. First one, check the sellers. There should be at least 1 to 5 other sellers on listing. This shows the product is safe to sell. Number 2, avoid direct brands. Make sure the brand itself not selling the product directly on the listing. Number 3, check eligibility. Try to list the item in your account first to make sure Walmart allows you to sell it. Number 4, calculate the profit. For example, if a headset cost $49.9 on Newegg and the seller for $109.20 on Walmart, you make a clean $36.99 profit after fees. Step 4, listed products live with WFS. Now it is time to list your item. We always recommend using WFS. With WFS, you ship your inventory to Walmart and they handle the shipping, customer service and return for you. Plus, new WFS sellers save up to 75% referral fees. Use Express Setup. In your Walmart catalog, click Add Items and choose Express Setups. Just paste item ID and UPC to find the product. Create a clean SKU. When naming your SKU, input the item cost and purchase date. This helps you track your cost easily without looking for receipt later. Set the price as your shipping method. Enter a competitive price and submit. Your listing is now ready. Step 5. Review and reinvestment. Your first week live is all about setting up good habits. Use free ad credit. Walmart gives free advertising credits to new sellers. Use them to launch a simple campaign for your product to get free traffic and early sales. Check prices weekly. Look at your accounts once a week. If a product is selling fast, quickly buy more of it from your supplier before you run out of stock. Reinvest your money. Treat this as a serious business. For the first 10 to 12 months, do not take profit out of the personal spending. Reinvest every dollar back into buying more inventory to grow your business faster. Getting your store live in 7 days in just step 1. Long-term success comes down to consistency, sourcing a new product, tracking your actual profit margin, and moving quickly. Winners treat early challenges as lesson and keep going. At Digital Solution Zone, we help sellers turn complex marketplace step into clear, highly profitable workflow. Whether you want to launch your first store or scale existing product catalog, we provide the expert management your brand's needs. For a professional review of your marketplace strategy, contact our team today at info@digitalsolutionszone.com. If you are ready to build a real e-commerce business, drop a comment below. Subscribe for more updates. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, thank you.